Hey guys, so if you clicked on this video, you're probably trying to get the NFL Sunday ticket on a Directv stream. Now, let me explain something to you first. You can't get NFL Sunday ticket as an add-on through Directv stream, as it is now exclusively available through the YouTube TV or as a standalone subscription via the YouTube primetime channels. Okay, so NFL Sunday ticket is not, it's no longer on DirecTV, after the 2022 NFL season. Basically, the NFL Sunday ticket was out of market, okay, for the package, and that was moved out of YouTube. So to get this, what you need to do is go to YouTube TV, okay, and you can subscribe to NFL Sunday Ticket as part of the YouTube TV package. And you can also get a standalone subscription. You can choose to purchase a standalone subscription to the NFL Sunday Ticket through YouTube or Primetime channels as well. You don't have to get the whole, YouTube TV package. So remember, guys, no individual game purchases are available. You cannot buy individual NFL games to watch at home. You just have to buy it either Primetime or as a YouTube TV package. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.